With the approval of the Blackrock Bitcoin ETF, all eyes are on the next ETF, and while Ethereum is probably next, the biggest twist in crypto could be on the horizon. Significant hedge funds have recently begun to put money into cryptocurrency, namely meme coins like Shiba Inu. This video is a must-watch for everyone with a Shiba Inu interest or Shib tokens. What, then, has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? Who is purchasing Shib among the ETFs and hedge funds? Is the value of Shiba Inu going to be affected by all of this? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inu. Please watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. Prior to delving into our subject, however, let us examine the chart to observe the movement of the Shiba Inu price on May 5th, shall we? The price of Shiba Inu is 2,488 units today, with a 2.5% decrease in the last 24 hours. The trading volume for Shib was $422 million in the last 24 hours. At the moment, the token is the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $14.6 billion. This is not financial advice, and the pricing may have changed by the time you view the video. Additionally, become a follower of our Twitter account. We are planning to host some huge prizes on that platform shortly, so if you would like to enter to win thousands of dollars, all you have to do is follow me. A Shiba Inu executive has made a statement on the upcoming launch of the revolutionary tree token that will shake up the cryptocurrency industry. Lucy, the marketing head for Shiba Inu, dispels rumors regarding the release of Treat, the Tree for Shib token, and encourages the community to depend on official announcements. Issues with Treat launch clarified. Lucy, head of marketing at Shiba Inu, recently cleared up some confusion around the release of Treat, short for Tree for Shib token. Treat has not been formally released yet, according to Lucy, despite claims to the contrary. Among the Layer 3 tokens featured in the most recent issue of the Shiba Inu magazine, Treat was highlighted in the Shib. Many people in the cryptocurrency sector took notice of this announcement. A completely homomorphic encryption-based Layer 3 blockchain will accompany the Layer 3 blockchain, which is an outcome of Shiba Inu's collaboration with Zama. This change is a component of the Shiba Inu ecosystem's plan to make the Shibarium network more scalable so it can handle more transactions per second and more complicated applications. The Shiba Inu's Treat and its function in nature similarly to how Shiba Inu's scaling solution, Shibarium, relies on Bone. The upcoming L3 blockchain is anticipated to use Treat as a key component in utilities and governance. In order to fund the development of their new privacy-focused L3 blockchain and other projects, the Shiba Inu development team has raised $12 million through the Treat utility and governance token. Many prominent cryptocurrency investors and venture capital firms participated in the financing round. Treat Shiba Inu intends to collaborate with Zama to advance the privacy-based L3 blockchain with the proceeds from the fundraiser. The developer of Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kusama, has stated that Treat will be released to the cryptocurrency market this year, highlighting that the token has not been revealed yet. The wider crypto community took notice of Shibarium's recent hard fork, which marked a new milestone for the project. Lots of people have been wondering when Treat will be released, but Lucy, who is in charge of marketing for Shiba Inu, has set the record straight. The token is not yet live. On the upcoming L3 blockchain, the token is anticipated to have substantial impact on the Shiba Inu ecosystem, namely in terms of utility and governance. After a hard fork on Shibarium was successfully completed, the crypto community is excitedly awaiting Treat's formal launch. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything and does wonders for the channel's financial stability. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. The burning of Shiba Inu coins has caused a price spike unlike any before. Information on the most recent Shib fire. Totaling 29 million Shib coins, the most recent burning event eliminated them from circulation forever. Significantly, today's biggest burn transactions involve 14.9 million and 10 million Shib coins, respectively. The dramatic decrease in supply had an effect on the burn rate, which surged by a whopping 1,009% compared to the day before. On the Shibarium test network, the Shib team started experimenting with a new way for automatically burning coins earlier in 2024. Utilizing accumulated gas fees, this method converts some of the Bone tokens paid for transactions into Shib and sends them to burn wallets, making them unavailable. The goal of this approach is to support the coin's value over time by providing an automated burn process that is consistent. Insights and future actions. It is possible that the present price gain of Shib is a result of investors' faith in the continuing burn activities. To control the coin's price and supply problems, automatic burning can become an important tactic. A key factor in the occurrence and severity of burns is the level of community involvement in purchasing activities. The community is closely monitoring the timing and impact of future burns as these improvements take place. Both founder Ryoshi and marketing officer Lucy have stressed the significance of community involvement in purchasing transactions to enable continuous burns. These burning processes are anticipated to be crucial to Shib's pricing strategy and market positioning. Going ahead, even though the price has just fallen following the increase, we can now get down to the meat of today's video. Meme coins like Shiba Inu are being purchased by hedge funds and venture capitalists. There was a time when major institutional investors at banks and hedge funds weren't interested in cryptocurrency meme coins like Shiba Inu, but that has changed in the past year. It turns out that professional money managers are becoming increasingly interested in nasty coins. Let's break it down into who's doing what, why they care, and how you may potentially join in and put money into the memes if the circumstances are appropriate. Find out here who is purchasing these meme coins and for what reasons. There are a handful of companies that have been identified as competing and utilizing meme coins in their strategy thus far. One new cryptocurrency that has just emerged shows a Shiba Inu dog wearing a charming knitted hat. Stratos, a hedge fund supported by venture capitalists such as Mark Andreessen Horowitz, has been operating a fund that owns this coin since December. In addition to holding memes, the crypto-focused hedge fund Pantra Capital asserts that meme coins will remain and highlights their enormous development potential. Lots more of this is on the way, so it's huge. When compared to other investment options, crypto meme coins offer the best possible return on investment. This is becoming increasingly apparent to hedge funds who are starting to see the value of risking a small portion of their capital in the hopes of earning returns of several thousand%. Most recently, word got out that Blackrock has set aside $250 million to put into crypto projects that use the Ethereum blockchain. A little fraction of this could end up in shady coins like Shib. This doesn't necessarily portend the launch of a Shib ETF, but it does indicate that major financial institutions will begin to invest in nascent cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu is expected to surpass $0.00017 in the near future, according to experts. Shiba Inu prices have taken a hit due to recent adverse tendencies in the Bitcoin market. Regardless, a number of experts continue to have high hopes for the token. They all think the popular meme coin might hit $0.00017 the next years, but their timelines are all over the map. Differences in timeline in 2025 when the current crypto bull season is expected to come. To an end, Oscar Ramos, a well-known enthusiast for Shiba Inu, believes the commodity might reach $0.00017. Those who invest in Shib at its current price might potentially win a staggering 640%, according to this bullish target. Platforms with a more cautious approach, such as Chainjili and Telegon, estimate that Shib will reach this valuation in 6 years. According to them, 6,000 units could be a more reasonable target for the bull run's apex. Merely while this is somewhat pessimistic, it represents a huge improvement over our position merely 8 months ago. Future expectations: there has been a lot of talk about how Shib might potentially hit $0.0001 even higher. A number of experts point to Shib's past results, such as the 373% increase from 950 to 4,500 units in only 8 days. If Shib experiences a comparable upswing, according to analyst Eunice Wang, it might reach $0.000125. The increasing number of relationships that Shib has is another encouraging sign. Shiba Inu's recent agreement with CDSA to address piracy concerns through the use of Shibarium, and another unnamed partnership hinted at by principal developer Shitoshi Kusama, give rise to excitement over the asset's future prospects. The present state of Shiba Inu: the price of Shiba Inu has fallen in recent months because to the generally